Did you know that 78% of customers buy from the company that responds to them first? Imagine having an automated system that answers your leads instantly, no matter what time it is, closing sales while you sleep. Sounds like a dream? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it a reality by creating your own chatbot to respond to leads and close deals 24/7. Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we unlock the best strategies to make money online, increase your income, and build a profitable digital business. If you're serious about maximizing your sales without spending all your time answering messages, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because today's video is packed with actionable steps to automate your sales with chatbots. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the big question. Why should you use a chatbot to handle leads and sales? First, speed matters. People don't like to wait. If a potential customer reaches out and doesn't get a response within minutes, they're gone, probably straight to your competitor. Second, consistency. Chatbots never forget details, never have a bad day, and always respond exactly how you want them to. They can follow up, qualify leads, and even close sales without needing a salary or breaks. And finally, scalability. A chatbot allows you to handle hundreds, even thousands of conversations at once. Whether you're selling digital products, coaching programs, or e-commerce goods, this is a game changer. Now let's talk about how you can set up a chatbot for your business in just a few steps. Step 1. Choose the right chatbot platform. With so many chatbot tools available, choosing the right one depends on your business needs. If you want to automate social media interactions, ManyChat is a great option, offering keyword triggers and integrations with platforms like Shopify, making it ideal for e-commerce brands handling order updates, promotions, and abandoned cart recovery on Messenger and Instagram. Chatfuel is another strong choice for messenger automation, perfect for businesses focused on Facebook communication, lead generation, and customer service, with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder. For website-based interactions, Tidio combines live chat and automation, allowing real-time engagement while also providing self-service options, making it especially valuable for e-commerce stores that want to boost conversions with personalized product recommendations. If you need more customization, Botpress offers an open-source solution with advanced integration capabilities, allowing businesses to connect chatbots with CRMs and databases for a more tailored automation experience. No matter which platform you choose, consider ease of use, integration potential, and scalability to ensure it enhances customer interactions and supports your business growth. Step 2. Define your chatbot's purpose. Before setting up your chatbot, take a step back and define its core purpose. What specific problem are you trying to solve? A well-defined objective ensures that your chatbot operates efficiently and provides real value to your business and customers. Do you want your chatbot to answer FAQs and reduce the number of repetitive customer inquiries? Automating responses to common questions not only saves time, but also improves response speed and consistency, enhancing the overall customer experience. Perhaps you need a chatbot to qualify leads before passing them to a human representative. In this case, the chatbot can ask pre-screening questions to identify serious prospects, gather essential information, and direct only high-quality leads to your sales team, saving valuable time and increasing conversion rates. If your goal is to assist customers in making a purchase, your chatbot can play the role of a virtual shopping assistant. It can suggest relevant products, address objections in real time, and provide additional details, leading to higher sales and reduced cart abandonment. Some businesses use chatbots for reminders and follow-ups, ensuring no opportunity is lost. Whether it's sending automated reminders for appointments, re-engaging users who abandoned their carts, or following up with leads who showed interest, a chatbot can help maintain engagement without manual effort. Clearly defining your chatbot's purpose from the beginning sets the foundation for a successful implementation. A focused chatbot delivers better results, whether it's improving customer service, increasing sales, or streamlining operations. Step 3. Create a natural flow of conversation. Nobody enjoys talking to a robot. Your chatbot should feel natural, engaging, and easy to interact with. A well-structured conversation keeps users interested and increases the chances of them completing an action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up, or finding the information they need. Start with a warm, inviting greeting instead of a generic hello. Try something like, "Hey there, how can I help?" or "Welcome," looking for something specific. Personalized greetings for returning users add a familiar touch. Guide users smoothly by asking simple, direct questions. Are you looking for option A or option B? This reduces confusion and speeds up the process. When providing information, keep it friendly and concise. Great choice. Here's what you need to know. Encourage action naturally. Instead of pushing a sale, frame it as a helpful suggestion. Want a discount? Click here to grab it. Or need a guide? Just say yes. This keeps engagement high without pressure. To make interactions feel more human, add slight variations in responses, avoid robotic phrasing, and use emojis sparingly. Breaking messages into short chunks improves readability, especially on mobile. If appropriate, a touch of humor can make the experience more enjoyable. A well-designed chatbot balances efficiency with personality, making users feel like they're chatting with a real assistant rather than a machine. Step 4. Integrate with your sales process. Your chatbot shouldn't just respond, it should convert. By integrating it with your sales process, you can automate transactions, streamline lead generation, and enhance customer engagement. Instead of simply answering questions, your chatbot should guide potential buyers through the sales funnel, making it easier for them to complete a purchase, schedule a call, or join your email list. Connecting it with payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal allows it to handle transactions automatically, providing product details, answering common questions, and processing payments seamlessly within the chat. If you offer coaching or consulting services, integrating your chatbot with scheduling tools like Calendly or Google Calendar eliminates back-and-forth emails, enabling prospects to book calls instantly, while automated reminders reduce no-shows. A chatbot can also act as a powerful lead generation tool, collecting emails and contact details in exchange for exclusive content or discounts, which can then be linked to platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit for automated follow-ups. The engagement doesn't stop after the first interaction. Use automated follow-ups to offer additional products, recommend relevant services, or upsell premium offerings. Whether it's selling digital products, scheduling appointments, or nurturing leads, a well-integrated chatbot works on autopilot, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. Step 5. Test and optimize. Your first chatbot won't be perfect, and that's totally fine. The key to success is continuous optimization. Start by monitoring how users interact with your bot, identifying where they get confused and where they drop off. These insights are invaluable for refining the conversation flow and increasing conversions. One of the most effective strategies is A/B testing, where you experiment with different welcome messages, tones, and conversation structures to see what keeps users engaged. Even small tweaks, like rewording an automated response or simplifying the flow, can lead to significant improvements. A great chatbot is also a learning chatbot, constantly evolving based on real-time data. Fine-tune responses, integrate AI for smarter interactions, and create a seamless experience that feels natural to your audience. The best automation doesn't feel like automation, it feels like a real conversation. Many businesses are already leveraging chatbots to drive revenue. A Shopify store increased sales by 30% by using a chatbot to recover abandoned carts. A business coach I know implemented a chatbot to pre-qualify leads, saving over 10 hours per week while increasing conversions. Some affiliate marketers use chatbots to send personalized product recommendations, boosting commissions without extra effort. So the real question is, are you going to keep answering messages manually, or are you ready to automate and scale like a pro? Oh, and if you're serious about starting your digital business, I've put together a detailed guide to help you get your first online sales fast. Check it out in the first pinned comment below. Also, let me know in the comments. What type of business do you run, and how do you see a chatbot helping you? Let's discuss. Don't forget to subscribe for more digital profit hacks. Like this video if you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's automate and dominate.